Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a call on Microsoft Teams. The first way you can do it is that if you already have the person in your Microsoft Teams, you can just click on them and go to these two icons that lets you call or video chat with them. You can also go to this three dots and click this call button, and that allows you to type in a number or name or go to your contacts to find people that either do have Microsoft Teams or don't have Microsoft Teams. You can also go to the search bar and type in this and the person's contact, and that will also let you call someone. So I am going to call Jacob with Microsoft Teams. Hey Jacob.
Hey, Abby.
So I'm making a video for Kines 205 about how to work Microsoft Teams. So you're kind of my test run to show how that works.
Awesome. I hope it was easy to be able to call me.
Yes, it was. Thank you so much for helping.
Oh, of course, anytime.
All right, bye. So it's super easy, and you can go through and chat with them and make calls to see what you're up to. You can also do different tutorings like this and all your activities on this page. Thank you.